Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can clone apps on a Samsung. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now cloning apps, you cannot clone any app that you find on you install on your phone, but there are only specific applications that you could have a clone. More specifically, the dual messenger has a feature called dual messenger. It's exclusive to Android, it's to Samsung actually, and you can only access it on Samsung. Basically, dual messenger is when you have WhatsApp, you can have two WhatsApps, you can have two messengers, you can have two Instagrams, and this is really useful if you have multiple accounts or multiple SIMs for WhatsApp, for example. And now I'm going to show you how I can do it. So first of all, you're going to go onto settings. Now, from settings, you're going to scroll down all the way until advanced features, okay? And from advanced features, you're going to scroll down until something called dual messenger, okay? And once I click on, as you can see, all of these messengers I can have to have a different, to have another messenger do it. So if I go and I click on Snapchat, okay, and now I'm going to install a second copy of the Snapchat, okay? And as you can see, there's a bunch of terms that you need to apply, confirm. And once you click on confirm, you don't need to send in a second contact list, and you're going to click on OK. Now it's going to turn on the dual messenger, and it's going to install the second Snapchat call. Now it is installed. Now if I go onto my apps and I go all the way, as you can see, I'm going to show you the difference between both of the applications now. If I go onto Snapchat and I put it right beside Snapchat, the difference that you're going to see is this little icon at the bottom. Now if I click on it, as you can see, I am going to log in on a completely different account. Okay, and as you can see, if I go use my email instead and I log in, as you can see, this is an account that I have on on this Snapchat, and if I go out on the second Snapchat, as you can see, this is a different account. So this is how you can have to clone your app, and it can be done to all the applications that you can see over here. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.